Students, good morning everybody. Today let us see the different forms of straight lines. Different forms of straight line. What is the general form of straight line? I already told you. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a straight line. First form of the straight line is slope form or gradient form. Slope form. Yesterday I told you about slope. It is denoted by m, small m. The equation of straight line having slope m and passing through origin is y is equal to mx, where m belongs to any real number. This is the line passing through origin and having slope m. Suppose if m is positive, it passes through. Suppose it is y equal to x, lies in q1 and q3. Suppose if m is negative, it passes through like this and lies in, this is y equal to minus x, lies in q2 and q4. If m is positive, lies in q1 and q3. If m is negative, it lies in q2 and q4. Okay? This is called gradient form or slope form. It always passes through origin because there is no constant term here. It passes through always through origin. Okay? Second form is point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. That means the equation of line passing through one point. Let me take x1 comma y1. The equation of line passing through x1 comma y1 and having slope m. M is given slope. How do we find the straight line? This type of straight line. For that, let me take one arbitrary point on the line. Let it be p of x comma y. This is as per our assumption. One point I am taking on the straight line, p of x comma y. That is one arbitrary point on the straight line. Now, can you find the slope of AP? Slope m is equal to slope of AP. AP straight line slope I am taking. Now yesterday I told you when 2 points are given, how do you find the straight slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Is it not? When 2 points are given, how do we find the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So find out slope of this y minus y1 by x minus x1. So just take cross multiplication. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form of a straight line. Whenever we are given one point and slope, we can find the equation of straight line by using this formula. Y minus y1 equal to m means slope. Slope will be given in the problem. X minus x1. x1, y1 also will be given in the problem. So by using this, we can find the straight line. Right? So, third one. This is one point and slope. Suppose whenever we are given 2 points, 2-point form, 2-point form of a line, 2-point form of a line. So straight line, how do we find when 2 points are given? Let me take A of x1 y1 and B of x2 comma y2. 2 points are there. Again, as I told you, I will take one arbitrary point on this line, P of x comma y. Right? Now, since these 3 points are on the same straight line, what do we call those points, such type of points lying on the same straight line? Do you know that? They are collinear points. Collinear points. Points lying on the same straight line are called collinear points. So collinear points means their slopes are equal. So slope of AP and slope of AB both are equal. Slope of AP and slope of AB. So one should be common point for both. When we find slope of AP and slope of AB both must be same. How do we find slope of AP again? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Okay, that is slope of AP. Next, slope of AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now take cross multiplication or just arrangement I will make. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of line passing through two given points. That means 2-point form of a straight line. Simple. In the place of m, you see, in the place of m, what is kept here? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's all. In the place of this, if you put slope, you will get the 2-point form of a straight line. Right? So far we have seen 3 points, right? Now fourth one, intercept form of a straight line. It's very important. Intercept form of a line. Intercept. What is meant by intercept? I told you already. Distance made by the given line on x-axis is called x-intercept. Intercept means it is nothing but distance, right? So suppose I take like this. This is x dash, y dash. This is origin. I will take one line like this. Now this line is making some distance here. You see here, this is x-intercept. Let me take small a. This distance is small a. Then can you say this point small a comma 0. A of a comma 0. Let me take this distance is b. Then this will be 0 comma b. Since it is on x-axis something comma 0, it is on y-axis 0 comma something, right? So I am going to find the straight line now. 2 points are there. What are the 2 points here? A comma 0, 0 comma b. Let me take x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Already we have seen 2-point form of the line. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now I will put here. Substitute the values. Y minus, what is y1 value? 0. y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by 0 minus a into x minus x1 value a. Now y is equal to minus b by a into x minus a. Cross multiply. Ay equal to minus bx minus into minus plus ab. Minus bx, bring this side, dx plus ay equal to ab. Dividing both sides by ab, bx by ab plus ay by ab equal to ab by ab. Dividing both sides by ab. Now bb cancel, aa cancel, ab cancel. So what is remaining? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called intercept form of a straight line. So what is the intercept form of a straight line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since it is in first quadrant, both are positive. Suppose if it comes to the second quadrant, what happens? X, x dash, y, y dash. So it looks like this. So it looks like this, right? So this will be positive, B, this will be negative because it is negative x-axis, right? So this line will be x by minus a plus y by b equal to 1. Because in the second quadrant, x negative, y positive. So x by minus a plus y by b equal to 1. Suppose when it comes to the third, x dash, y dash, so this. So this is negative and this is also negative now. Why? Because it is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, both quadrants are negative. X by minus a plus y by minus b equal to 1. So as per quadrant it changes. In the first quadrant both are positive. In the second quadrant negative positive. Third quadrant negative negative. When it comes to fourth quadrant, observe here x x dash y y dash. Origin, this is in fourth quadrant, right? In fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. So what about this line? X by a plus y by minus b equal to 1. So it changes according to the quadrant. Clear? So in first quadrant both are positive. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. In second quadrant x by minus a plus y by b equal to 1. In third quadrant, x by minus a plus y by minus b equal to 1. In fourth quadrant, x by a plus y by minus b equal to 1. So these are the important four different forms of straight lines. So still we have two more that will be coming later. So first one is slope form or gradient form. Second one is point slope form. Third one is 2-point form. Fourth one is intercept form of a straight line. So these are the main straight line forms, right? Hope it's clear. Thank you.